Looks like Mother Russia is taking a page out of the book of Netflix's hit show, Black Mirror. In a move that has left many scratching their heads, President Putin has enacted a new law that allows for the drafting of Russian citizens via an online portal. Yes, you heard that right, the very same internet you use to binge-watch cat videos could now potentially be used to draft you into military service. But wait, it gets even better, or worse, depending on how you look at it. Not only can you be drafted through this portal, but the government can also use it to notify you of your mandatory military service. And if you fail to report for duty? Well, let's just say your real estate transactions and driver's license might be in jeopardy. Some are calling this move a digital system of social control, likening it to a virtual Gulag labor camp. But hey, maybe it's not all bad. Think of all the time you'll save by not having to physically go to a draft office or wait for a letter in the mail. Now you can just sit back, relax, and wait for that ominous email notification from the government. It's like Christmas morning, but instead of presents, it's potential military service. And let's not forget about the potential for technological glitches. Imagine waking up one day to find out you've been drafted because of a server error. Talk about a rude awakening. Or what if your email ends up in your spam folder? Does that give you a free pass? These are the questions keeping us up at night. But fear not, my fellow internet users. If you don't have an account on the government portal, they can still draft you. It's like being chosen last for dodgeball in gym class, except instead of being picked by a human, you're picked by a computer algorithm. Sounds like progress to me. Now, some of you may be thinking, but wait, isn't this a violation of my privacy? Well, technically, yes. But let's be real, we all gave up our privacy a long time ago when we started posting every aspect of our lives on social media. This is just the logical next step. And let's not forget about the potential for government officials to slide into your DMs. Who knows, maybe you'll get lucky and be drafted by Putin himself. I mean, who wouldn't want to serve under such a great leader? Please note that this is sarcasm and in no way reflects the opinions of the author or this publication. All jokes aside, this move by Putin has rightfully raised some concerns. The idea of a digital Gulag labor camp is a scary one, and the potential for abuse is very real. However, for now, it seems like we'll just have to sit back and see how this plays out. So, if you're a Russian citizen, keep an eye on your email inbox. And if you're not, well, maybe hold off on planning that trip to Moscow for a while. Who knows, you might accidentally find yourself signing up for a tour of duty instead of the Kremlin. In conclusion, let's all take a moment to appreciate the absurdity of this situation. The fact that we live in a world where governments can draft citizens via an online portal is both hilarious and terrifying. But hey, at least we can still use the internet to watch cat videos.